we know it'll be better than Gavin Newsom, and it will be satisfying if somehow Caitlyn Jenner wins this race, that we can say the first trans governor was a Republican. That'll just be fun to say.
Oh, it'd be great.
Just to torture the left.
That'd be too weird. It's California.
Oh, God, Caitlyn Jenner's like one of the most normal people in California.
Oh, my gosh. Yeah, absolutely. By the way, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson said that he has an ambition to unite our country and run for president. You want to unite the country, please don't run for president. Don't wreck your movies. Please don't. Everybody likes you. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I mean, Donald Trump was like the most popular guy one of the reasons why The Apprentice was so successful is because he rated incredibly high with African Americans.
Right.
And that's why the networks loved Donald Trump so much.
But don't you remember, Donald Trump thought was going to be a flaming liberal and turned out to be a pretty good president. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, we're all going into it, like a Bush presidency and our Supreme Court nominee. Oh, no, we have no record. We have no reason to believe it, but he's going to be a conservative.
Well, I don't think there's any. I mean, the only thing that would make you think he would be a conservative is he spoke at one Republican National Convention a million years ago.
And he reads his scripts,
My big thing on The Rock, and the reason why I think we should at least entertain it, is think of the money we could save on the military if, when we have a war or whatever, we just send him in by himself. We could just get rid of the military completely, save all that money, and then just send The Rock into various conflicts.
In a room with only one knife. And Putin and The Rock are in it, and only one has to come out. But there's only one knife, and it's on the table. They're both equal distance from it. Who comes walking out of that room?
Again, The Rock's winning all these battles.
I'm not sure.
Oh, The Rock's
I'm not
winning
sure.
the battle. The Rock, you could stab The Rock like 100 times. Wouldn't he just keep walking toward you?
Probably. He's probably got so much muscle there. It's not going to hit an organ. Like me with fat. That's why I have all of this. You go ahead and stab me in the stomach. You're not going to reach anything.
That was smart of you.
Thank you very much. I'm a health freak. I am a health freak. All right.
It's like your own turtle shell.
Quick. Gonna take it.
Here again.
100. Call today for your no-obligation consultation. 401-903-9300. That's 401-903-9300. Metro Men's Health.
Check out Backstage today for great deals on...
On our Facebook page or give us a call tomorrow morning.
Chip?
He was on the
voting candidate. Was that a way for him to say, recruiter for free? That's...
like my kids to be in school, but can we keep the teachers out? How about that one? Is that a possibility?